Okay. Do you have any hot water problem issue? Like very not much pressure on the hot water? It is caused by this. This is the tempering valve, right? That mixes cold water and hot water to give you certain temperature. Like at the moment, I think 70 degrees or even lower, nothing over. So you do close this valve here. That's the main supply water. This one here is the gas. Leave it on, doesn't matter, as long as you don't empty. So this is the cold water, hot water coming in. It mixes here in the tempering valve and goes to your shower, any hot water system in the house. So as long as it is full of water, you should be okay. So release the pressure here. This is a safety valve. Release the pressure. That removes the pressure of the tank. Then it will spit out on the bottom. Anyway, so when they spit out on the bottom, that means the pressure is gone. You open this up, right? Take this off. And then here, there's a filter. Remove this part, leaving the rest, just this top section here, but disconnect this part. As soon as you remove it, there's a filter system there that's blocked. So there's not enough hot water going into the line, only cold water coming from the underneath. So this is adjustment which you don't normally touch. But here, there's a filter inside. You can see as soon as you remove this one, this nut, and this big nut, between this and there's a filter, hot water filter coming in. All you do is just clean it, unblock it if you have a toothbrush or something that you can use to remove the debris or the block, that you do it. There's the filter that's been cleaned. So all you have to do is just put this back in there. Make sure it's not leaking. Okay, when that's all done, all you have to do is to open this valve again so the water can go to the system and solve your problem. I get ripped off by a plumber once by saying he replaced this, but the truth, he only cleans that filter. Anyway, if you have some handy knowledge, you can easily fix this without costing you $200 easy. Okay. Bye-bye.